Let's get you breaking news coming in, and this is in regard to Mumbai's monorail service that has faced its second major technical failure, halting operations amid heavy rain. Remember, this is the second time round such an incident has taken place on the 19th of August, hardly 3 weeks back. Two trains, almost a month ago, when two trains had stalled, one between Chembur and the Bhakti Park due to overcrowding induced power glitch, stranding over 500 passengers at the time, close to almost 600 passengers. And now again, there is a problem as far as the monorail services are concerned. This is a second major technical failure which has resulted in halting operations, as this is amid heavy rainfall that is being recorded overnight. There has been a lot of rainfall, particularly in the Santa Cruz area, where in less than 24 hours, it has rained about 88 millimeters of rainfall. There is a yellow and orange category warning of more rainfall to follow. Paras joining us in order to get us more on this. Paras, visuals on our screen, of course. Take us through what's really happened here. This is the second technical glitch that the monorail services are facing. What really has caused this?
In a monorail, before that we had seen the very difficult situation was there in the monorail. There were many passengers who were stuck inside, and after that the rescue operation was also taken place. This is the second incident which has came into light, but it is not yet confirmed that what has happened in monorail, why it is stuck. There is no official confirmation about it, but there can be a major technical fault which has been there in monorail right now. It has been stuck from last few minutes, but majorly the reason why it is stuck is still unknown. The monorail and the engineers and many other people are trying to see what exactly has happened to monorail right now. So there is no official confirmation about what has happened, but it may be a technical glitch which is they are trying to resolve.
Right, Paras, take us through the issue. This is back to back in less than a month's time. We're talking about from the 19th of August to the 15th of September. This is the second such failure that we are seeing. Take us through the issues at hand, and in regard to this, because this is putting a lot of people as far as the commuters are concerned in the city of Mumbai, who are relying completely on these monorail services.
Rightly said, but last time there was the overcrowding problem, and that's why the entire failure happened. And after that there was a big rescue operation which was done by the fire brigade and the Mumbai police. But right now what has happened, it's still unknown what technical fault has been there in monorail, why it is stuck. It's maybe a matter of concern, but right now investigation is still on what has happened to monorail, why it is stuck, and it will be very difficult to say what exactly has taken place and why monorail is stuck from last few minutes. So we have to wait for the official confirmation what has happened, what was there, what was the problem. So it will be very important to see what official will come in this entire situation, why monorail is stuck.
Right, Paras, stay with us for the next story, and this is in regard to the kind of rainfall that has been received by the city of Mumbai overnight. We're talking about orange category warnings that are being put out for various areas, a yellow category for some other areas of Mumbai. We're talking about over 88 millimeters recorded in the Santa Cruz area. Also other areas which of course includes Bandra, where it has rained heavily. Paras, take us to the situation on the ground. Is waterlogging being reported from various parts?
Yes, so in Mumbai, it's the story of every year when rain occurs, when rain comes, this type of situation occur. Waterlogging take place everywhere in Mumbai, especially at the low-lying areas. We are at the King Circle, and this is a very place where every year same story repeats. This is the situation right now. There is a traffic jam due to waterlogging. You can see Mumbai police is also present at the situation. They are trying to clear the traffic over here, but but a few minutes ago there was no rain, and again rain has started. We have been reporting continuously that there are very heavy rains in Mumbai from last few hours, but before half an hour rain was completely stopped, but now it has started raining again, and it is raining very heavily. This waterlogging has took place at King Circle, and you can see the situation. All the vehicles are going from the waters where waterlogging has taken place, and this is a very busy area where every day lakhs of commuters travel to their workplaces, and you can see the main bridge of this King Circle where traffic jam has occurred. This is a normal situation. Every day this type of traffic occurs, but today the traffic conditions are more worse because of the waterlogging which has taken place at this very King Circle, and for a few hours the situation will be very much difficult for Mumbai, Palghar, Thane and Raigad, because weather department has issued an orange alert throughout the day for this particular places.
Hearing is it's the area of Colaba where it's rained the most, at least overnight. 88 millimeters has been recorded. We also know that in Bandra it's been raining heavily. Which are the worst impacted areas, and how long before this weather system really passes? Because we do know that monsoon now will start wrapping up. This is the last month of the monsoon. However, it is going to continue over the next 2 weeks. Paras, if you could take us through the worst impacted areas from this weather system that's prevailing in the Mumbai city right now, and its adjoining areas, whether it's Pune, Raigad, adjoining areas of Thane, all impacted as well.
Rightly said, there are many areas which has been impacted by this heavy rains which is pouring through the morning, early morning today. We are at the King Circle right now. King Circle is very badly affected, and it's the main area where thousands and lakhs of commuter travels every day. There are many other places in Raigad, Thane, Palghar and Mumbai also, but the worst part right now is in Mumbai, where the waterlogging is continuously taking place. There are many areas where already waterlogging has taken place, but BMCs and Mumbai police are trying to clear the traffic also, and BMC is trying to evacuate the water which has been waterlogged at many areas in Mumbai. Right now the conditions are a little bit scary because the waterlogging has taken place in many parts of Mumbai. Especially we are at the King Circle. You can see in the pictures how bad it is right now, but few hours will be very much important for Mumbai, Palghar, Raigad and Thane.
Right, Paras, stay with us, and of course, news out of Mumbai, and this is in connection with the services of the monorail that have been impacted, and that is a second major technical failure that is being reported in less than a month's time. We're talking about from the 19th of August, the first time that, we did have that technical glitch, and that was because of overcrowding that we had those operations that were stalled. And now again, we have a problem. This is a problem that has been reported from Mumbai. Over to Paras. Paras, visuals that are playing out at the moment, as we can see how, Paras, before I come to you, let's go across to my colleague Anuj, who's joining us from the location. Mid-ride, these services that have been halted, and as we can see visuals of those people stranded and stuck as the services have been impacted. What's caused this?
Well, the passengers being stuck are the old visuals. This was the case in the month of August, when we know that the monorail dramatically stopped in the middle of the day. However, today, because there has been torrential and incessant rainfall from midnight, pretty much intensely, which has only taken a backseat in the last half an hour or so. That is why, due to technical glitch, the monorail has stopped. I'm standing here outside the Wadala depot, and if you can see your screen deep there, there is the monorail station there, and the stranded or the inactive monorail can be seen there on your screen right now. This is one of the major depots of monorail here in the city. Of course, there is no access for people to go extremely close to it, which is why one can see it from a little distance. But as you can clearly see, this is the monorail route And in fact, this is very close to the one where the monorail halted only a month back. But one can see that the rainfall or the intensity of the rainfall has come down, considerably in the last few minutes. However, the monorail is still not functioning. You can also see on your screen that because of the rainfall that was seen in the city in the last few hours, the waterlogging has also been, has been experienced in a lot of places. As you can see that because it's Monday, so a lot of people are traveling. They're taking the road route, but there are several such puddles that are formed in different parts of the city, especially which are the lower lying areas where one can see, travel becoming a major problem. Now, one important thing to note with monorail is the fact that monorail has always been seen as an extremely vulnerable, as an extremely vulnerable mode of transport here in Mumbai. It often leads to disruption, and even during a minor glitch, one can see that monorails take a backseat because the authorities do not want to take any chance given the limited resources they have as far as monorail is concerned. Of course, one of the reasons why monorail was halted briefly earlier today morning was because they did not want to put the safety of the passengers at stake. But now knowing that the monorail or the intensity of the rainfall has gone down, the fact that the light in that monorail is on, it may not be visible to you on the screen, but it is visible to me, indicates that the functioning of the monorail will begin very soon because the light is on. And right on our, on our screen as well, one can see this, the monorail route that we see. Even there, another monorail has just arrived, which means that the functioning of the monorail is expected to begin smoothly once again. And one of the reasons for it might be the fact that the intensity of the rainfall, as I said earlier, has gone down in the last few minutes. But all eyes will be on the, preparedness of the BMC and of the government, knowing the fact that the IMD has very clearly mentioned that the next 24 hours are going to be extremely important. This is the rainfall, which is one of the last rainfalls that the state is experiencing. Besides Mumbai, of course, there are other places that are also experiencing rainfall. And the next 24 hours are deemed to be extremely crucial. And even in those 24 hours, one can note that time until today afternoon is going to be very crucial. So the authorities are on high alert just to make sure that just what happened a couple of weeks ago does not repeat itself for the passengers, given the fact that it's a Monday and a working day.